Hey guys, this is Gaurav again. So in this video, I want to touch on the range name function in Excel. So in the last video, we prepared or we touched on the cell naming thing. So it's one of the same thing. It's just that when you want to extend your the naming thing, not just to a cell, but to a range of cells. So it works more or less similar. It's just that how you put it in, right? So for an example, for when we wanted to name a cell, we just selected and activated a cell and we put the name. But now if we want to actually select a range or basically nominate a name to a given range, like multiple cells, then what we have to do is what we are going to see in this video. Alright, so let's get started. So let's say if I want to select all the numbers on this and I want to give it a name. So for example, this I will just select that particular range which I want to name and I will call it score. Alright, so let's see what it did, right? So every time then I'll select score, it basically highlights the range of those cells which I named or selected when I actually put this as score. So something like student name, let's say student name. I missed a T here. Alright, so wherever I am in my workbook, if I select student name, it's going to come back on the first sheet and then select this, right? So we use such functions when we basically want to select a table. We have a lot of copy and paste function, that we just want to copy these students or country, for example, and we have to basically take it to some other worksheet, or basically we want to utilize this subset somewhere else. And definitely, I mean, you can use cell name versus range name interchangeably, right? But what also comes important with ranges is, so let's say if there is a new student added to the class, right, and his name is Tom, right? He comes from wherever. Let's just copy, because we are not really interested in where is Tom coming from. So in that case, your range will still be same, right? It doesn't automatically get updated. And another thing is, in case you want to change the name of the range, or in case you want to extend it, you want to basically make edits and deletes, then we have to go to the function, or on the formula tab, it's called name manager here, right? You click on it and then you see all your namings. Like from my last video, I didn't really deleted them. I still have my rate card, score, and stocks and stuff like that. You can see for customer it's just one cell, right? For if it's just one cell and stuff like that. But for like student name, I have a range 82 to 810. Now if I have added another student in the range and I want this to be part of to my range name, I'll just go here, select this, so I can see Excel automatically activate what's really covered under the student name range. So what I have to do is either I can just extend it using my cursor, or I can just type 11 and that should be it. So basically it expanded my range, or I can just do it here as well. It just expanded my range to include a new student. So let's do a close. Do you want to see the changes? Yes, of course. And now when we'll check student name, you see it selected Tom as well as a new student. So so we have to be careful when we are using such kind of ranges, because sometimes we forget if we have actually updated our range or not. So it's important to keep updating our basically the name manager if our data is dynamic and if it keeps changing, so that we don't really miss out on anything because we might be utilizing these names in, maybe in some formulas or stuff like that. So it's extremely important that we keep all these names, either it is range or it is cell, most updated. Alright guys, so that was all for this video. Hit the like button in case you find it helpful, and definitely subscribe to my channel in case you want me to work on and share some other explanation on any other function. Please drop me a comment and I'll try to work on it and look for it. Alright, thanks guys, bye for now.